AMilliYona Designs, where I help YouTubers and creatives get spiritually and digitally aligned with their creative side through business graphics, YouTube graphics, and Procreate illustrations. Hey, what's up with Pop, y'all? It's your girl AMilliYona Designs, aka Yana. So, you guys, I have dressed up my iPad. I do not own an iPhone, but I want to show you guys how I was able to customize my apps. So, the very first thing you want to do is to go into the Shortcuts app. This video, I'm going to show you the quickest way to do it. It's still time consuming, but this is probably the quickest way to do it. What you want to do, you want to do things one by one. Create all the shortcut names all together. So just worry about the names first and creating the shortcuts. Okay? Just the names. We are then going to work on the action of the shortcuts. But step number one, the quickest way, is to just make the names for all the apps that you want to customize. So I'm making shortcuts for GoodNotes, Spotify, Apple Play Store, and Homescapes. How am I adding the names? You guys press the 3 dots. You see new shortcut, there's a blue button, the 3 dots. That's what I'm clicking on to make this. We're going to individually add the action to each of the shortcuts. And how you do that is you go to the specific shortcut. Let's say it's GoodNotes like I'm doing now, okay? Then you're going to press this black button that says scripting. Then under scripting, you will see open app. Then over to the left here, where all the activity was going on, you search for the app that you want it to go to. To open the shortcut that we named Hulu, we're going to press add to home screen. Then we're going to press Hulu at the bottom here. Choose the photo that you want that app to be customized as. I chose these Halloween drinks and press add. It gives you a check mark telling you that you have added it to your home screen. Make sure each individual shortcut you have pressed add to home screen or it will not be there. Alright, next up is Spotify. Add to home. Click the Spotify on the bottom there and choose the photo that you want, you guys. It's actually quite simple process, but I'd say just do everything in a group. So what I mean by that is name all the shortcuts, all the apps that you want to recreate. Do the actions and then go ahead and do the photos for each one. By the way, if you're new to widgets and to move them around, just press and hold them, then all of your apps will start wiggling and it gives it the ability to move. Now let's rearrange our home screen to how we want it to look, you guys. So your apps may be on a separate page than the page that you want it. It might send it to like the second page or the last page that you have on your home screen. Just move them over and put them in place on the very first screen. Put all your old apps into a folder. That's what I did. The background art was made by Little Magic Prince. She has a Patreon, so go check her out, as well as an Instagram. As a thank you for watching this video, I would like to give you all 2 free coloring pages. You guys can color them traditionally, print them out, or you can color them on your iPad, and I do have a video for that, you guys. So all you have to do is go to gumroad.com/AMilliYona Designs and join the newsletter for your freebies. Also, this coloring page will be coming out pretty soon for you guys to purchase for the month of October, honey. Get your October fix. So yeah, you guys, gumroad.com/AMilliYona designs. Also, I have these digital stickers for your planner, your digital planner, for pre-order right now. Thank you all for watching this video. I will see you all in my next one. It's your girl, AMilliYona Designs.
Accept who you are and stand by your own definition of beauty. The infamous promo pic. Live life with intention and execution. It'll make your soul dance. And it has makeup, because you know how makeup, there's like concealer. So it says, don't conceal anything. Get ready for transformation. I love that.